500 divided by 1/2 plus 50. So pause video and work out this expression. Some of you would say 500 divided by 1/2 gives us 250 maybe, and then plus 50 gives us 300. Unfortunately, that's an absolute mistake. That's a wrong answer because you fell for a big trap, hook, line, and sinker, and that's the order of operations and a miscalculation. So let's see what the correct order of operations it is. So to avoid confusion, mathematicians created a convention which is called PEMDAS. It is the correct order of operations and it is an acronym. Let's see what PEMDAS is. P in PEMDAS stands for parentheses, E for exponents, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, and S for subtraction. And this gives us an arrow of priority from the highest to the lowest priority. What PEMDAS tells us is that you must search for parentheses at first. Go for parentheses and evaluate what's inside the parentheses. Once you did the parentheses, go for exponents. Then go for multiplication and division from left to right. They have the same priority and the same precedence. And finally go for addition and subtraction. So that being said, let's do the original expression. But for God's sake, learn PEMDAS once for all. So never be lost. Learn PEMDAS. 500 divided by 1/2. So that's maybe an optical illusion. Maybe you assumed it is 2. So 500 divided by 2 would be 250, not divided by 1/2. So we can easily change this division sign into the multiplication sign for easier and faster and quicker calculation, and flip or reciprocate the next number or the fraction. So reciprocating 1/2, it's like this. So look at this marker. I am now reciprocating that. So swap or flip the upper and the lower part. So 2/1. So maybe that's the most important part of here. Whenever you have a division, keep the first number, change the sign into the multiplication, and flip the fraction or flip the number. So you can remember it by KCF. So not KFC, by the way, by KCF. So now it is just a multiplication. 500 times 2 gives us 1,000. And 1,000 plus 50 gives us 1,050. And that's the only correct answer. For your homework, I try to challenge you even further. I added parentheses and I added a square here. So I raised it to the power of 2. So I added an exponent here. So make sure to drop your thoughts for this homework in the comments below, and please subscribe to your channel Prime Logic to support and to motivate me. It really means a lot. And like the video if you haven't already. And see you on our next video on Prime Logic. All the best to you all, my dear students.